This problem is about an average, and the way you find the average is you sum all the values together, divide by however many items you have, and that will give you the average. So here it says the average cost per book for the 12 books on the table, so you're going to divide by 12, is K dollars. So that is how you find the average. And then it says if a book that costs $18 is removed, well, that would be subtract 18. But then you add back one, it's replaced by a book that costs $42. Then in terms of K, what would the average cost of a book be? So we need to still have 12 books because we took one away but added one back. So we're trying to find X. You're trying to find that average in terms of K. That means your answer will have a K in it. So I'm trying to solve for X. I've got all these variables. But if I take this top equation and I solve it for this summation symbol, you would need to multiply both sides by 12. So sum equals 12K. Now take that 12K and substitute it in for that summation. So that would be 12K. I plugged it in right there. And then negative 18 plus 42 is 24. And you're still dividing by 12 equal X. Now solve this problem for, it's already solved for X. So I just need to simplify, because if you look at your answers, none of the answers look like 12K plus 24 over 12. But this is 12K over 12 plus 24 over 12 equal X. Those 12s cancel. You're left with K plus, that simplifies to be a 2, equal X. So your answer is A.